cake is from the J Shop. Yippee! So we've got a little situation going on. The pipe that delivered water to the bathroom sink just kind of snapped. So must have gone to get some more bits and bobs. So I'm in one of the coolest vegan stroke vegetarian restaurants here in Chiang called Om, and I'm gonna go for the healthy option, burger and chips. Yeah, we have vegan brownie at 60 baht. We have vegan ice cream. Yeah. Chocolate ice cream. Well, unfortunately, this place, I came here like the day before I left because I saw it and I thought, oh, it looks a nice place to come and have a cup of tea. And I thought, I'll come and check it out again. It's not open till 10. Like, guys, it says 9 on the fucking sign. What are you doing? So I don't know whether I can be arsed now. There you go, 9 AM and it's 9:27 AM. There's a woman here sweeping up and she says, no, it's going to open at 10. So fuck you, I'm afraid. I'm going to find somewhere else. There is another cool restaurant type cafe around here somewhere that I found last time I was here. So let's see if I can find that. Sala Cafe. And the last time I was here was probably January this year. I was speaking to a guy. We were talking about the incoming smoky season, and he said it gets bad, really bad about March. And little did I know what was to transpire. It went fucking crazy. Like one of the worst smoky seasons that they'd had in a long time. That's why I got the fuck out of here. So I just bumped into a guy from England called Lee here at the Sala Cafe. That's quite interesting because last time I was here there was an English guy that I bumped into. Not that that's a rare thing here, but like just because it's out here and it's a little bit remote, but it's a popular place here. And he said he's been to Bali and he likes Bali. He's talking about this place called Salur, I think it was. Thank you. And so yeah, he's saying get to Bali, you know, basically he's saying you'll like it. So Canggu is a bit intense with the partying, but he said like this other place, Salur, I think he said, or something like that. Was it S-L-A-U-R? Salur, he pronounced it. He said it's one of the first places over there that had a hotel or something. So yeah, my friend Justin has invited me to go there towards the end of the year anyway. So it could be good. Check it out. And this is the view from part of that Sala Cafe. Just got my tea here, and it's quite exquisite really. You got the hills and then you got like these wonderful temples in the hills, give you that otherworldly vibe. And no rain at the moment today, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. Here's the local gas station. $47.50, that's a bit expensive. Well, just got off the motorcycle after riding around for a good hour. Just going down different weird places and stuff in the countryside. And so it's just stretch the legs. There was a few drops of rain and I was thinking, oh shit, here we go again. But now, it's actually quite warm and hopefully the rain holds off and I can explore this beautiful day without getting wet. Kill. There's some kind of cactusery here. Nice. Mango coconut smoothie. First time I tried this here at Cofty's, looks amazing. Tofu garlic stir fry with extra rice. Get one rice with it, book an extra rice.